all the information you could want to know about the budget is publicly available. So this project is really trying to move us forward on both of those levels, to try and make the information available in a more user-friendly way.
In general, it's just a great opportunity to bring different people into a room.
Through today, I'm very excited about the idea of the budget portal. It's making public information even more accessible.
Everybody is equal, and so each and every person should feel free to say what they want, and that happened. Each person has been a facilitator and a contributor at the same time.
Yes, it's very exciting, especially it involves external stakeholders like normal people to participate as well, and also bring us an opportunity to host something that will be utilized by almost everyone.
The idea behind the portal is to communicate better between government and communities. And so is it more than just a portal? Ideally in time, yes.
Basically, I think it is like internationally something that we could be very proud of.
We had people from pretty disparate backgrounds. So me as an artist, we had data scientists, there were people from Treasury.
The process today, I think, was really exciting.
Empower people to know what information is available and how they can best use that information. So for me, it was actually quite a good experience to be a part of this.
The most interesting thing about this project is that normally on a project you've got quite a narrow group of users, and they're quite close to each other from what they need, because they're similar demographics and similar environments and roles. Whereas here we've got such a diverse role, such diverse users. It's literally a project for everybody in South Africa.
But using it in a way that is meaningful for people in order to actually contribute towards government policy discussions in an informed way.
Participation is key, so transparency isn't enough.
The success of the portal doesn't just depend upon government. It depends upon communities using information in ways that will ultimately strengthen the well-being of a country.
Today has been overwhelming in the input that we've heard in a really positive way. It's been diverse, it's been affirming. People were engaged in groups of 3, 5, 10, working intently on a problem together, discussing it. So it was amazing.